with the words in the vocabulary. An English tip: make sentences to remember words easily after each lesson. Welcome to Le, our assistant, and thank you for translating for us. Let's start with two questions. And question one, what would you do if your TV were broken? And question two, what problems have you had with your TV? You can say hello and introduce yourself and answer these questions. Good afternoon, Tim.
Good afternoon, teacher and everyone.
Hi,
Nice
Tim.
to meet you.
How are you?
Yes, I'm good. How is it going?
It's going very well. I am in Ho Chi Minh, and you?
Oh, yes, same me. I'm
Oh,
living
good.
in city.
That's good. It
Where
is
do you live? Where do you live? Which city?
in Tan Binh, and you?
Oh, that's great. I'm Tân Binh.
Also Tan Binh. Okay, lots of rain this afternoon. A lot of rain.
Myself, I'm Tung. I'm 28 years old. I'm living in Ho Chi Minh City. My job is businessman. My hobby are listen to music, sport, watching movie, and shopping. Nice to meet you and everyone.
That's great. And what kind of business do you have?
Can you repeat?
What kind of business do you have?
Oh, yes. My business is lace and fabric.
Oh, okay.
Fabric.
Good. Question one, have you ever had problems with your television? And what
Yes.
would you do if your TV were broken?
Yes. Actually, I don't know fake TV because it's very complicated. So I don't want a broken more. Definitely, I call any TV company. They will know how fix it.
Okay. And what problems have you had?
I think usually have a problem on the screen about not turn on, have a vertical line and horizontal line. Maybe
Yes.
your remote out of battery. Still you don't know.
Okay, so problems with the remote
Yes.
and the screen. All right. Thank you, Tim. Nice to meet you. Hello, Tu.
Hello,
Hello, Tu. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's great, Tu.
And you?
I'm good, thank you. Welcome back. And you can introduce yourself. Tu, can you introduce yourself?
I don't know.
Introduce. Where are you from?
I'm from Ho Chi Minh City.
Ho Chi Minh City. Oh, good. And what is your job?
I salesman.
Sales.
Salesman.
Saleswoman, right?
Saleswoman. Yes.
Saleswoman. What are you selling? What are you selling?
No, I don't.
You're not selling? A saleswoman, all right?
Sai woman. Yes.
Thank you. And what would you do if your TV is broken?
I will call person.
Yes. Okay. We will call a TV repair company.
Repair company.
Yes.
Yes.
TV repair company.
Repair companies.
Question 2. Have you had problems with your TV?
I think it cannot TV.
Have you had problems? Can you see
I
the
don't
chat
know.
box? Okay. All right. You can listen, and we will come back to you. Right.
Yes.
Hello, Nam.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today, Nam?
I'm good. Thank you. How about you?
Very good, thank you. And Nam, you can introduce yourself.
Yes. My name is Nam. I'm 34 years old. I come from Hưng Yên province. I'm a
Yes. Say again.
My hobby is traveling. Nice to meet you.
That's great. Again, what is your job?
I'm a driver.
A driver. That's good. Thank you. Question 1. What would you do if your TV were broken?
I will I will get some study.
You will call. I will call someone. The TV repair shop. All right.
Yes.
Say again. I will call the TV repair shop.
I will call the TV shop.
Yes, repair.
Repair shop.
Repair is to fix, all right? The TV repair shop.
Repair shop.
That's great. Have you had problems with your TV? Question 2. Have you had problems with your TV?
I don't know. I don't understand.
Question number 2. Our assistant will write it again. Question 2. Can you see the chat box, Nam? Okay. So what problems can you have with your TV? Maybe the screen, right? The screen is broken. Nam, can you hear me? Say again. The screen is broken.
The screen is broken.
Yes. The remote is not working.
The remote is not working.
That's great. Thank you, Nam. All right. Hello, Chen.
Hello, teacher.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing well.
That's good, Chen. Where are you from?
I come from Điện Biên.
Dien Bien. All right. Thank you.
Yes,
Are you?
it's north of Vietnam.
Yes. And are you working?
I'm a student.
Oh. And what are you studying?
I'm studying in high school.
In high school. All right. And why do you want to learn English?
Yes, it's so useful for me. And if I learn English well, I can go easy to the college or university.
Okay. That's great. And let's talk about these questions. Question 1. What would you do if your TV were broken?
So I want to answer question number 2
Okay,
first.
up to you.
Okay. There are many problems can happen. The TV,
Yes.
the television doesn't turn on. The screen is damaged, or channel sound don't work, or they can have strange sound.
Okay. That's great. And what problems have you had? Which one?
Well, one time, my television is not connected with the internet.
It's not connected to the internet, so there is no picture, right? No picture.
Yeah. No video.
Okay, no video. And what do you do? Do you ask your father to help, or do you call someone?
Well, first I try restart by press
Yes.
the power, and then if it isn't still working, I will bring it to prepare salt or the place where I
That's
bought
right.
it. Or yes, the best way I usually choose is cold for base resistances.
I don't understand.
Yes, it means helper.
Cable. Can you write in the chat box?
Systems.
Just write the word in the chat box and I can help you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe.
All right, we need to move on and let's go to the dialogue. This will help you to understand the topic. Read carefully and I will help you to pronounce words and sounds. I will explain some of the meanings, and if you don't understand, You can ask me. All right. Hello to. Hello to. Hello.
Hello teacher. Hello teacher.
To. You are reading Aiden. All right. You are starting. You are Aiden.
Teacher.
Okay. And I am reading with you. All right. I am Lily.
I am language.
Okay.
Yes.
You are Aiden. You can start. Did you watch the news last night?
Did you? Yes, it is. Did you watch?
Read.
I
You are Aiden. Assistant, you need to help here. Assistant,
I
please
watch.
help too.
I watched it about news last night.
No. Read the dialogue. Can you see the screen? Read the dialogue. Did you watch the news last night? No, I couldn't watch anything yesterday because my TV is broken.
And no, I couldn't watch anything yesterday because my TV is broken.
What happened?
What happened? Điều gì xảy ra? The screen shot keeps showing vertical lines. What should I do?
Have you contacted the manufacturer? They should be able to repair it for you.
Yes, I have.
But the warranty
the warranty period has expired. Where else can I get it fixed?
any TV repair shop will be able to fix it for you.
Rich,
Thanks. All right. Good.
thanks.
All right. And let's practice some words. All right.
Words.
My TV is broken.
My TV is broken.
Is. Say, my TV is broken.
My TV is broken.
What should I do?
What should I do?
Good. Okay. And pronounce great. Thanks.
Great. Thanks.
Good. 2. Can you read Aiden? Aiden?
Aiden.
Yes. Here, you can read number 1.
Did you watch the news last night?
No, I couldn't watch anything yesterday because my TV is broken.
No, I couldn't watch anything yesterday.
Just read what happened. Yeah, read what happened.
The green shirt keeps showing vertical lines. What should I do?
Okay. Say again. Have you contacted the manufacturer? Okay, sorry about the confusion. All right, can you see here? Have you contacted the manufacturer?
The should be able to repair it for you.
Thank you. Say again. Any TV repair shop should be able to repair it for you.
Any TV repair shop should be able to fix it for you.
That's great. Fix. And we say fix.
Fix.
That's good. Thank you, too. All right, Nam, you are reading Aiden. Hello, Nam.
Yes.
Okay, and Chien, you are Lily.
Okay.
But you watched the news last night.
No, I couldn't watch anything yesterday because my TV is broken.
What happened?
The screen just keeps showing vertical lines. What should I do?
Have you contacted the manufacturer? They should be able to repair it for you.
But
No.
the one
All right. Again, Nam, what happened?
What happened?
Good. Chien?
but the warranty period.
No, start
is,
again. The screen just keeps showing vertical lines.
The screen just keeps showing vertical lines. What should I do?
Now, have you contacted?
Have you contacted?
Nam, can you see the dialog screen on the slide? Have you contacted the manufacturer?
Have you contacted the manufacturer?
Manufacturer, all right?
Manufacturer.
The people who make the TV. They should be able to repair it for you.
They should be able to repair it for you.
But the warranty period has expired. Where else can I get it? Can I get it fixed?
Any TV repair should be able to fix it for you.
Great, thanks.
That's good, all right? And now, Nam, you are reading Lily. And Chien, you are Aiden. Chien, you can start and read Aiden,
Okay.
all right?
Did you watch the news last night?
No, I couldn't watch anything yesterday because my TV is broken.
What happened?
So clean keep showing
Vertical.
vertical line. What should I do?
Have you contact the manufacturer? They should be able to repair it for you.
But we
Warranty. Right?
warranty.
Warranty.
Bill hair exam. Where else can I get it, please?
Any TV repair shop should be able to fix it for you.
Great, thanks.
That's good. All right. And we're going to pronounce some words. Nam and Chien. What happened? Say after me. What happened?
What happened?
Chien. What happened?
What happened?
Nam. What happened?
What happened?
That's great. All right. Pronounce screen.
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 Good. Repair.
Repair.
Chien. Repair.
Repair.
That's nice. Thank you. Thank you for practicing with us. Let's go on to our next slide. And Chien, you are first. Read all the words on this slide.
Repair. Screen. Vertical. Fix. Television. Easy. See. Replace.
Okay, and read the words with me. Repair.
Repair.
Screen.
Screen.
Vertical.
Vertical.
Fix.
Fix.
Television.
Television.
Easy.
Easy. See.
And replace.
Replace.
Good. All right, Chien. Make a sentence and make a sentence with see.
I saw your boyfriend yesterday.
Okay. And see is, right? See is today, all right? I see something now.
Yes.
I see. Make a sentence with see, not saw.
Yes. I see some flowers.
Where? Where are the flowers?
In the garden.
In the garden.
In the garden.
I see some flowers in the garden. That's good, right? Easy. Make a sentence with easy.
Learning English is not easy.
Okay. No, it is difficult. Learning English is difficult. Make a sentence with repair.
I can repair my bicycle. My bike.
Yes. Okay. You can repair your own bicycle. Or are you going to ask someone to help you?
Yes, I just make a sentence.
Okay, but I am making another one. Are you going to ask someone to help you?
Yes,
Who will you ask to help you?
yes, my dad, my neighbor, or my friends.
Okay, that's great. Okay, and screen. Make a sentence with screen.
Mm. Screen of TV is broken.
The TV screen is broken. Right, say again.
Yeah.
The TV screen is broken.
TV screen is broken.
That's great. The TV screen is broken. Thank you, Jen. Let's repeat the words one more time. Repair.
Repair.
Screen.
Screen.
Vertical.
Vertical.
Fix.
Fix.
Television.
Television.
Easy.
Easy.
See.
See.
Replace.
Replace.
That's nice. Thank you. All right. And two, you can read the words with me too. Hello, two. Read
Hello,
all
hello,
the
teacher.
words on the screen.
Repair, screen, vertical, fix, television, easy, see, replay.
That's good. All right. And one more time. Repair.
Repair,
Screen.
screen,
Vertical.
vertical,
Fix.
fix,
Television.
television,
Easy.
easy,
See.
see,
Replace.
replace.
That's great. Thank you. Two, do you have children? Two, do you have children?
Do you have children? Yes.
Yes. How
Yes,
many?
I have.
How many children do you have?
I have one children.
One child. Say again. I have one child.
One child.
I have one child.
I have one child.
That's great. All right. And how old is your child?
How old? 38 years old.
And your child? How old is your child?
He is 12 years old.
Okay, say again. He is 12 years old.
He is 12 years old.
That's great. And let's make a sentence with television. Right? Do you like to watch television?
Yes, I like.
What do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch in TV.
What do you watch?
I
The news?
I like game show.
Game shows? Okay. That's
I like
great.
music on TV.
Music? That's
Yes.
great. That sounds like fun. Right? Do you like watching the news?
Watching
The news?
Yes, I like.
Okay.
I like.
You like to watch the news. Thank you. Let's read the words one more time. Repair,
Repair.
vertical,
Vertical.
television,
Television.
fix,
Fix.
replace,
Replace.
screen,
Screen.
easy,
Easy.
and see.
See.
That's great. Thank you. On our last slide, let's practice. And here are some problems with your television. Here are the suggestions. The screen keeps showing vertical lines. You cannot see the picture. What should I do? Context number 1, and our assistant will translate for you. Your TV turns on and off randomly. Context number 2, your TV screen has been damaged. Maybe your TV fell down or someone dropped it. Your TV needs a new power supply. Your TV needs a new power supply. All right, Chin, you can choose a context.
Visual.
Hello, Chin.
Okay, I choose number. I choose contact number
Okay.
1.
And what is the problem with your TV?
Well, I'm so upset because my TV turns on and off randomly. What should I do?
I don't know what the problem is. Maybe you should call the TV manufacturer.
Your TV,
Listen to me. Maybe you should call the TV manufacturer.
maybe you should call the manufacturer.
Okay. What do you think, Chen? Are you going to call them, or will you call
Yes,
the TV repair shop?
I will go for manufacturer.
You will call the manufacturer. And what kind of TV do you have? What is the brand?
It's Samsung TV.
Samsung. Okay. And when did you buy this TV?
6 months ago.
Okay. So do you have the warranty?
Yes,
That's great.
the warranty in 2 years.
The warranty is for 2 years.
The warranty is for 2 years.
That's great. So you do not have to pay for the repair.
Yes.
That's good news. I hope they can fix it for you.
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
So, does your TV turn on or end up randomly?
No, my TV is working fine.
What brands?
I also have a Samsung.
Yes.
So I am happy with my TV, but I hope they can fix your TV. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jen. Well done. Thank you for listening. All right. And Chi? Hello, Chi.
Hello, teacher.
Okay. Choose a context. Number 1, 2, or 3.
2.
Context number 2. All right. Thank you. What happened to your TV?
It's it
You can read context 2.
it's broken.
Yes. My TV screen has been damaged.
TV screen has been damaged.
Say again. My TV screen has been damaged.
My TV screen has been damaged.
That's great. All right. So what will you do?
I phone. I will phone.
Yes. And who are you going to call?
I will call. I will call.
Yes.
Person. I will call to Saigon.
Okay. Say again. I will call the TV repair shop.
I will call the TV repair shop.
That's great. Good. Thank you. Is it a new TV or old TV? Two?
It's a new TV or old TV.
Yeah.
It's a new TV. New TV.
It's a new TV. Oh no. And it's already broken. Okay. I hope they can fix it for you. I hope
they can fix it for you.
That's good. Thank you. Thank you, Chu. And thank you, Chien, for coming to our lesson. Now I am going to write in your assessment and our assistant will explain to you. Right? I am writing notes in your assessment. Well done. And Chu and Chien, any questions?
No. Thank you, teacher. Thanks to our lesson.
Thank you. And Chu, do you have any questions? Hello, Chu.
Hello, teacher.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, I have.
What is your question?
I don't know.
Okay. No questions.
Yes.
Do you have?
Yes.
When do you have? When do you buy TV?
Oh, many years ago. My TV is old. Students, remember your homework and make sentences with the words in the vocabulary.